Known for their hardiness and reliability and also heat tolerance during the summertime, the knockout roses are probably now the most popular and widely planted roses anywhere in the temperate world. There's lots of different types within the series, and some of them are just now beginning to flower. Take, for example, this very nice selection here, which is called Blushing Knockout. This one starts out now in springtime with apple pink flower buds that then emerge to these lovely semi-double flowers that are held nice and prominently above the disease-free foliage. Gets to about 3 to 4 foot high and puts on a spectacular show, especially when it's planted in mass groupings. You can, of course, plant just one single plant, or you can plant them for massed effect. Whenever you're able to take them and put them in together for the massed effect, you can see from the tag picture here just how pretty they all look. Really good, strong growing and hardy and reliable flowering variety. Like all roses, it likes to grow in a sunny, well-drained spot. Trim them back in springtime. You'll get lots of young, fresh growth and then lots of flowers that will keep on reblooming through the summertime. And of course, the big thing with this variety, as well as its exceptional disease resistance, is its low maintenance. This particular variety doesn't need to be deadheaded. It will keep on blooming without having to have the old hips removed. This is Blushing Knockout, part of the world famous Knockout series of roses.